In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new employees in Xero. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be confident adding any new team member to your payroll. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have payroll access, because this feature is only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're in Xero, start at the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a series of menu options. Look for the one labeled Payroll. This is where Xero keeps everything related to wages, payslips, and employee records. Move your cursor to the Payroll tab and click on it to open the Payroll area. Inside the Payroll section, you'll see several options in the navigation. Find and click on Employees. This is your central list of everyone already set up in your payroll system. It's a useful page to come back to whenever you need to check details, update information, or review who is currently active on your payroll. On the Employees page, look for a button that says New Employee. This is usually located near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on New Employee to start creating a profile for the person you want to add. Now you'll be taken to a form where you can fill in the employee's details. Take your time here, because accurate information is essential for payroll, tax, and compliance. You'll typically need their full legal name, contact details, and other required personal information. Depending on your region and setup, you may also see fields for employment start date, pay frequency, salary or hourly rate, and any tax or deduction details. Before you begin, it's helpful to have all the necessary documents from the employee, such as their tax information and agreed pay rate, so you don't have to stop partway. As you go through the fields, double-check spelling, numbers, and dates. Correct details here help avoid issues later with payslips or reporting. Once you have entered all the required information, review everything on the screen one more time. Make sure there are no blank mandatory fields and that the pay details look correct. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate, scroll down if needed and click on the Save button. After saving, Xero will create the new employee record and add it to your employees list in payroll. From there, you can come back anytime to update their information or include them in your next pay run.